Hi, it's Jen Picotti with Swift Bunny. Are you short-staffed? It continues to be a common theme. With the country's labor shortage showing no sign of easing up, multifamily's been getting really creative and turning to technology to solve the service gap created by these staffing shortages. So join Kara Rice and me on Thursday, September 22nd at 12 Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific for a webinar on supplementing staff shortages with technology. We're going to take a look at hybrid staffing models, virtual leasing, maintenance video tutorials, and a lot more. These are innovations that rental housing companies are employing to deliver for their prospects and residents for great customer service. We're also going to explore how these new procedures, tools, and resources have impacted the stress levels and burnout levels among on-site staff. You may be surprised at what is working, what's not, and what steps you can take to boost company performance, even when new hires are hard to find. We'll see you on the 22nd.